My name is Sami Wetala. I'm a TV and radio presenter. I'm an event promoter. Basically, I'm just a chill guy.
Okay.
Good vibes, and yeah, here we are.
Okay, Sami, we all know that you're among the few Ugandans who always connect with those international artists and international celebrities. What does it take to connect with those international figures?
I mean, it starts with good jobs. Like whenever you're doing anything good, they get to recognize that. But also at the same time, it's just networking, reaching out and them reaching out to you, seeing to it that how can I support you? How can you support me? How can we build a community? How can we become friends? So at the end of the day, it goes back to friendship. And friendship leads to another thing. You get connected to other people, and at the end of the day, you just get to work together. Yeah.
But how do you protect that relationship, at least to stay? Because you know that they're outside, you are inside Uganda, you are,
I mean, digitally, we are in a village. You know, we've been connected by social media, Instagram, X, TikTok as well. So there's a way you just be very professional when they're sliding to your DM and how you're replying to them on WhatsApp and all this, and emails as well. So you ensure that you're extremely professional, even when you're personal, such that you do not break the boundaries between friendship and knowing that we have a working kind of relationship. Plus also they have professional people who run their social media handles and just basically doing a good job. You know, once you promise somebody that I'm going to do A, B, C, D for you, you ensure that you fulfill it. That's the way they earn, you know, that respect and that trust, and they know that this guy can take our brand somewhere.
Sami, have you ever visited any international artists?
Yes, I have many. It depends with where, because I've done a lot of work with Nigerian artists. I've done a lot of work with Kenyan artists. I've done a lot of work with Rwandan artists. I've done a couple of jobs with Jamaican artists. I've not gone to Jamaica before, but those are things that we are again on the pipeline. But like I said, it's social media, so you're able to connect. You get onto Zoom conferences with them late in the night because the time zones are different. So yeah.
Let's talk about the first day you visited one of them. How did you feel?
Yes.
Because for us, we are always excited.
See, the thing is now, that's where the professionalism comes through. That much as I'm your fan, I know I'm here to work. So the first thing that I always consider is I need you and you need me. We are professionals, and it's the friendship. So it's like you and I having a conversation. So I don't look at somebody as this is Chris Brown, or this is D'banj, or this is Burna Boy, or this is BN, or this is Joshua Baraka. No, it's just like this is a human being, and I'm a human being, and we are in the business of entertaining people. So let's just have a cordial relationship that is professional. At the same time, just break boundaries and just have a lot of freedom to just work together in a chill, nothing serious, have fun, but at the same time, know at the end of the day what has brought us here.